In this video, I will show you how to create a very simple trigger. The trigger that we used previously was a trigger to activate an animation, one or several animation, in case, for example, if you have a character. But what I will show you now, it's very simple. It's just trigger to turn on or off a light, okay? Because at least one of you needs that. So no need to put an animation on your light. We will just turn it on and off, okay? And the good point is this very simple script. You can use it on any object to turn it on or off, or even to change the color of an object or anything, okay? So first, I have one light. This is a directional light. So what I want to do is just to turn it on or off when I go in a specific area. So we will make it simple. I will just create a 3D object, a sphere. I will put it in this area. So near this signage, I will just scale it so that this is my trigger area. When we enter in this area, the light will turn on or off. So I will turn off the mesh renderer, of course, and here there is a collider. I don't want to use it as a collider, but just as a trigger for a script. Okay, so now I have to create my script. So we had this script trigger play anim. We will reuse it. So I will just duplicate it. The new one, I will tell it, I will call it, sorry, light on or on off, okay? And I will edit the script. Okay, so we have, this is a script that we used before, and we will simplify it. First, remember, and some of you had the problem, if your script is called light on off, here the public class need exactly the same name. If there is one letter of difference, or if you don't have the same capital, it will not work. So on, off, okay, first thing to do. Then after, what we will change is, as I said, no more an animator or controller. So that this part was to change the boolean of the animator. I will remove it, okay? This part also, I remove it. This part, I remove it. So for now, I have just the system of the trigger. We enter and we go out of the trigger, okay? But I don't say what we do when we enter and when we exit. So now this is the next part. So first, you remember here, perhaps if I undo, sorry, just to show you, we had that serialize field private animator. So here we were, with this line, we were saying that we will access to the animator, okay? So what we want now, this is to access to a light, okay? So what I will do, I will write public. So public, it means what I will put here will be visible in the inspector, okay? So public game object. So be very careful again with the orthograph. So you see, if I write it correctly, it will propose to me game object, okay? So I select it. So it's a game object, so it means an object from Unity, and the type of object, no, the name of the object, we will call it light, okay? And now I will write private. So here, actually, no, this one I will make it even simple. I will not have this private thing. So I just say, I will have a new object and it will be my light. So here I just need to say, when I enter in the trigger, what I want to do on this object. So I will say the light set active. So it means I will make it active or not. So turn it on or off, okay? Will be false. Okay, so why? Because my light is already on. Okay, so by default, when I will start with my FPS, my light is on. So what I want to do is when I enter in this area, I want to turn off the light. So when you do a script, it's good to put comments. So when you do these 2/, after you can write what you want, it will not take it in consideration. It's just for you. Okay, so you can have typo error. It's not a problem. So here I will just say we turn off the light. Okay, and I will just copy this line, put it here. Okay, and true. So here, if we go out of the collider, then this is true, so the light will be activated. Okay, so I say we turn on, I could say we activate and we deactivate here the light. So normally I think it should be enough, so I will save my script, minimize that, perhaps I will need to go back. And here, so we have this sphere. I will attach my script to the sphere. Okay, so the sphere now, this trigger will use the script. Okay, and here you see I have light. Before, when I had the other trigger, it was not a light. Oh, this one I deactivated. Sorry, so cannot show you anymore. Okay, so here we have light. So here I just need to connect a light. So I could click here. It will show me, propose to me all the light of my scene or all the object of my scene. But actually here I will just drag and drop this directional light here. Okay, so simple. We have the trigger. The trigger will use this script and the script will modify this directional light. So now we can try. And so light still on, okay, and only when I enter in the trigger, the light is off. Okay, so you can check here. If you watch that, you see directional light, it's off. And if I go out, now in the hierarchy view, directional light is on. So you see. Okay, so as you can see, it's very simple. It's a very simple script. We just say, okay, we take an object and we modify a parameter of this object. So for example, the DV student who are, I guess, more technical and who do more scripting, you can imagine to change a lot of things here. Okay, or it could be just make the light dimmer or change the color, etc., etc. Okay, so don't hesitate to contact me if you want to adapt this script to something else that just turn on or off a light. Okay, thank you.